If you weren't hungry before, now you will be. Who doesn't love a good churro? Well, you might be surprised to learn that making them homemade is actually really simple, and so are churro ice cream sandwiches. Our partners at Better Homes and Gardens are sharing that recipe.
Start with 1 cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, then 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next, get a pinch of salt. Stir together and bring to a boil. Now add flour. Then stir immediately until a dough forms. Then remove the heat. Beat in 2 eggs, 1 at a time. The mixture will be very thick. Next, transfer dough to a pastry bag and pipe swirls onto a wax paper-lined cookie sheet. Make them about 3 to 4 inches wide. Now freeze the dough. Then put the frozen dough into a skillet with oil and heat to 350 degrees. Fry them until puffed and golden brown while turning occasionally. While cookies are still warm, toss in a cinnamon sugar mixture. Add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of the churro cookie, stack on another cookie, and there you go.